Namaskar. Today we are going to learn about affirmations and how you can change your negative thinking patterns, and many times your negative situations also by using this very simple technique. And we are also going to learn a very simple way so that you can actually incorporate these affirmations into your life without putting much efforts. Aren't you excited? Let's proceed. Affirmations. Before beginning, let me tell you a brief about what affirmations really are. Affirmations are positive statements around the areas you are facing negativity. So suppose you are facing negativity around your job. Okay? Say your manager behaves badly to you, or you are scared of losing your job. Okay? Or you are getting less paid. Okay? Now you can actually change this. Change the way you react to these situations first thing, and because your reaction toward these things have changed, the situations will also change in the long run. This has been proven, and this is the easiest way to get life working in your favor. As I said, affirmations are positive sentences that you need to use in your life. So let's say your manager behaves rudely to you. Okay? Let's say the scenario that manager behaves rudely to you. So what will be your affirmation? Your affirmation will be that thank you dear universe, thank you Lord, thank you Almighty, or you can also thank any deity that you worship. Have faith in your heart, just feel that affirmation. Okay? Thank you dear Lord, thank you very much that today my manager is behaving very friendly with me. You can replace friendly with the way you want your manager to behave. For example, my manager today is behaving very coordinating with me, helpful to me. You can use any statement. You need to create all your statements by yourself. Okay. And in the end of the video, I'll tell you a simple technique that you can actually use to automate these affirmations for you. But for now, create those affirmations, and I would recommend they create affirmation for every negative situation you are facing in your life. And all your negative situations you can actually classify into 4 scenarios: health, relationships, career, and money. Okay? Many of us are facing health related issues, many of us are facing issues with relationship, with money, with career. Most of us are facing issues with all these 4. Okay? Create at least one affirmation for each of these areas. Okay? And before going to sleep, while you are half asleep, you are on your bed, you are half asleep, repeat those affirmations with full faith. You will feel the power of the affirmation inside you. You will be able to sleep peacefully. And after waking up, again repeat these affirmations. Do not leave bed without saying these affirmations aloud. Okay, seems easy, right? The way it works is universe listens to your feeling. I'll describe this in more detail in a later video when we discuss about prayers and the right way to do it. Okay. For now, the universe listens to your feeling. Before saying affirmations, you're feeling why my manager is very rude, my manager does not take care of me, my manager keeps me sidelined. But as you start saying these affirmations, your feelings towards that manager, your reactions to the scenario will change. And as you change, the world around you will also change. That's a fact. Okay? Now, in the beginning of the video, I told you about a simple technique that you can use to automate these affirmations for you. Are you excited? Please comment in the video. Okay. What you need to do is record these affirmations in your own voice or in any voice you like or are fond of. Okay. Record these affirmations and play these affirmations in a very low volume besides your bed while you are sleeping at night. Let it run entire night. So what I do is I have a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so I have recorded these affirmations in a USB drive, and I put the Bluetooth speaker charging. I insert the USB drive. I set the volume to 1 One is enough. I'll explain later in the video why one works actually. One is enough. And you start playing that audio. Let it play whole night. This affirmation will reprogram your subconscious mind. And once subconscious mind is reprogrammed, external manifestations happen and the scenario or the negative situations turns around, becomes positive or in favor. Okay. And the easiest way to access your subconscious is when you are asleep at night. Okay. So please try this technique. Please try this technique. I've been trying this technique for past 3 months. Before I was scared of losing my job. That scared feeling is gone. I'm no longer scared. Actually, I started making these videos once I started playing this affirmation, and it took a month. But I don't know how I gathered the courage. It is because of those affirmations that I started my channel. I started creating those videos. Okay. My aim is to change 100 lives this year. And if I can change your life with this video, my mission will be fulfilled. Okay. Thank you very much for being in this session with me. I hope you liked the video. Please do share this video with everyone you think can benefit from it. Also, if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you do not miss out on any of the videos I am going to upload in the future. May you have a nice future. May you have a peaceful life. Signing off. Your host Ankit. Thank you.